The WallHound-Pro is a global security solution. What I mean by that is wherever you are in the world, you can select the appropriate band that the unit needs to scan. If I was going, from example, in the United States to be scanning, which I'm in right now, I could find out what are the very specific band designators across the bottom here, as well as the Wi-Fi protocol. What are the frequencies in that country? I simply click on the country code up here, US, and a chart comes up that depicts the US bands that are tuned. So I'll get the actual band designator. It's designated by the FCC, for example, B71, and the frequency range, the start and stop frequency in megahertz. And again, this is all the bands that are in the scan table that we'll check. Say I go over to the other side of the world I want to go to Australia. I could go through, select Australia. Now you'll notice there are different band designators that come up here. And I can go up here and click on AU. And again, I'll see the specific band designator and the frequencies that it will actually tune.